If you want a talking avatar in 3D like this,
2D like this,
or super cute ultra realistic like this one, you are in the right place.
Hello everyone, I am Smart Idiot. Have you ever wondered how I can feel alive from just a single photo? In this video, I will show you the steps, completely free. From writing the prompt to create the avatar image, adding objects to the scene, making the avatar move, to syncing the mouth perfectly with the voice. Finally, I will assemble everything into a smooth, professional-looking video. This is worth your time. Grab a notebook. Let us begin. Step 1. Write the avatar prompt. First, write a cinematic prompt for the avatar in your video. It sounds basic, but there are small tips that matter a lot. The key is using the right specialized keywords so the AI understands and returns what you need. Use this order. 1. Style. Do you want a 3D pixel look, 2D anime, or photorealistic photography? State it clearly in the prompt. Next, region or identity. If you want the avatar to look Asian, African, or American, say so. Another important part is mood or background. Do you want a warm, dark background, minimalist, or a busy marketplace? Add that. Also describe the character details, such as hairstyle, skin tone, outfit style, and anything specific to your needs. That is the basic frame for an avatar prompt. Step 2. Generate the image with an image tool. You can use any image generator you like. Right now, I use Meta AI because it allows unlimited free generations. The link is in the description below. Tap the image icon, choose the aspect ratio. I choose 16:9 for a wide scene. Paste your prompt at the top. I have already included the important keywords in the prompt. Press generate. After a few seconds, you will get 4 high-quality images with full detail. Download the one you like. If it is not right yet, press regenerate to get 4 more images. Remove watermark and enhance the image. I will demonstrate with picsart. The link is in the description below. Tap the plus button. Select your image. See the watermark. Tap remove. Brush over the watermark area. Then tap remove again. In a few seconds, it is clean. Next, to increase sharpness, go back and tap AI Enhance. Wait a few seconds for the upscale. Drag the intensity slider to 100. Tap the download icon to save a high-resolution image. Step 4. Create a motion video from the image. Open your browser. Go to Roboneo AI at the link is in the description below. Login in the top right. There are 4 login options. Choose one and complete the sign up. New accounts get about 120 carats, which is enough for some great videos to create a video from images. Tap Add Image and select the image you just saved. Paste the prompt I mentioned earlier or any prompt that describes the motion you want. Tap Generate. The tool will process for a few minutes. When it is done, the video will not have voice yet. It will only have mouth and hand movements, which is exactly what we need because we will add the voice later. Tap Download to save the video. Step 5. Lip-sync accurately with the app. It's time now to get this avatar to say whatever we want. To achieve a flawless lip-sync effect, you'll need to download an application called Dreamface AI. This particular application enables the generation of highly accurate, lip-syncing avatar videos. The thing to note, however, is that it operates on a credit-based system. If you're looking to get the premium version of the Dreamface app for unlimited video creation, make sure you watch this entire video. Let's begin the process. Start by opening the Dreamface application as linked below. You'll notice an array of features here that you can use for your content. If you prefer to make a talking avatar directly from a photograph, click on the Boots feature here. This option will only animate the face, leaving the rest of the body static. That's why we have already prepared a complete talking avatar video. For the moment, we'll be utilizing the video lip sync feature. Just click on it. You'll see several choices here. Click to select your avatar. There are a few default avatars preloaded that you can use if you wish. However, I'm going to pick the avatar we just finished creating. Next, click here to input your script. You have 4 distinct methods available. If you want to import a script file or use a pre-recorded audio clip, select that specific option. Right now, I will simply paste my script into the first field and hit the confirm button. Now, click the voice option to select the voice for your avatar.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope you
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
As you can see, the voices are organized into different categories. Simply choose the one that suits your needs.
If you want a talking avatar in 2D like this,
Everything is all set. Just click the animate button, followed by animated image. The application will then perfectly sync the lips of your avatar, a process that usually takes no more than 2 to 3 minutes. Review the result. The video is complete. Test it. Hello everyone, I am created by the Smart Idiot channel. Please like and subscribe. The result looks solid. With this workflow, you can create a talking AI avatar for free. If you want more resources, follow the community channels mentioned in the original guide. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to Smart Idiot for more videos.